Hello everyone. I'm about ready to leave and go try out my new Barska 3-9. I showed you guys this new purchase in my last video. I have made a couple of changes. I went to visit my friends at JoJo's Gunworks over here in Connecticut, and they provided me with a set of Leopold rings, which put the scope at the proper height for me and allowed me to reattach the rear irons. So now that we got her set up the way I want to, let's head off to the range and see how well she does.
Start it? Yeah, start. Of course, I'm irritated because I didn't hit the bullseye. That's a pretty tight groove. Okay. That's not too shabby. A couple of flyers. Alright, it's going to be your turn next.
Yeah! So that's 2 on each shoulder, 1 dead center, mass. Alright, now we're going to try for, see if we can pop a little tighter groove. Pop 3s. Yeah, I'm going to pop 3s now. Okay, so I got a couple of flies on the right shoulder. I didn't have the eye relief right. I shoot blind. We've got to improve there. You're just your game. I'm disappointed there, but I just got to remember it's a different length of pull from the carbine, so we'll tighten it up.